So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to customize the toolbar, as I just wrote that here in the Notes app. So the toolbar is this up here. So there's all these different icons. If you want to customize maybe the order that it's in or add stuff, subtract stuff, etc., go ahead to the toolbar. And in my case, I'm on a MacBook, so I'm going to press Control-click, or you can right-click if you have a mouse, and then press Customize Toolbar. Once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and drag your favorite items into the toolbar. So it kind of shows you where it is right here. So if you wanted to go ahead and maybe add, gosh, I don't know, if you wanted to add maybe the space bar right here, I can add that in. Just like that. You can also go ahead and sort of rearrange different stuff. So you can go ahead and drag different stuff in. You can kind of do what you got to do this way, basically make a whole lot of customizations. So if you wanted to put stuff in or delete stuff, etc., you can kind of play with it that way. If this looks good to you, go ahead and press done. It'll stop shaking, and then your custom toolbar will be customized the way that you selected it to. So pretty simple, but that is how to customize the toolbar on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.